वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्ट एंड हाउस। ट्रायल पैसेज रियल जजमेंट्स है। स्पेशल डिक्टेशन है हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़, और अदर रिलेटेड स्किल टेस्ट जो अभी आने वाले हैं आप सबके। जैसे मैंने पिछली वीडियो में बताया था कि ज़रूरी नहीं है एसएससी लीगल मैटर ना दे, कहीं भी कोई भी मैटर आ सकता है। तो इसे आप लिखिए 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के बाद अपने मिस्टेक सारे निकालिए और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए आपकी गलती कहाँ होती है। स्टार्ट करते हैं 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। एट द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पार्टीज, द पेटिशन इज टेकन अप for final disposal. The public interest petition had to be filed in view of the internal disputes between the Postal Department and the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, which has resulted in revenue stamps disappearing from the market. In terms of the impugned order, the Department of Posts withdrew the facility of sale of revenue stamps through post offices due to non-receipt of commission on account of sale of revenue stamps from Delhi Treasury. Thus, no stamps are available, causing grave inconvenience to public at large. It has to be appreciated that revenue stamps have to be affixed for the receipt and other purposes, and commercial transactions are being affected on account of non-availability of revenue stamps. Learned counsel for the respondents state that a fresh order has now been issued whereby the Department of Posts has allowed restoration of the facility of sale of revenue stamps through post offices till further orders, after getting the assurance from the government of Delhi. However, the letter is not clear as to till what period of time would this arrangement continue. In our considered view, the public at large must be assured that revenue stamps would be available from post offices as usual, and if there are any disputes about payments to be settled between the Department of Posts and Government of Delhi, that may be mutually settled without causing inconvenience to the public. The departments ought to have taken due care to settle the matter, and a situation ought now to have arisen resulting in the issuance of the impugned order. In view of the aforesaid, we direct that the respondent shall ensure the availability of revenue stamps through post offices even in future, and it will not be permissible to stop the availability of revenue stamps in case of non-settlement of any financial dispute between the Government of Delhi and the Department of Posts, for which the respondents can take resource to appropriate proceedings between themselves. The writ petition and the application is disposed of on the aforesaid terms, leaving the parties to bear their own costs. Liberty is also granted to revive the petition in case of any difficulty. This petition is filed by the petitioners aggrieved by order of Metropolitan Magistrate in terms of whereof summons have been issued. It appears that the applicants, apprehending that they are likely to be arrested, approached the court by way of anticipatory bail, a copy of which is placed on record. The additional sessions judge, hearing the application without examining the true effects of the order made by the Metropolitan Magistrate, dismissed the application. It may be noted that learned additional sessions judge has mentioned in the order that the accused persons have been summoned by the court of learned Metropolitan Magistrate. Despite these facts, which were brought to the notice of the learned additional sessions judge, instead of directing the applicants to appear before the learned Metropolitan Magistrate in response to the summons, he dismissed the application inter alia, stating that he was not inclined to grant the privilege of pre-arrested bail to the applicants. This situation was not warranted at all. Section 204 of the Criminal Procedure Code is required to be perused. It is clear from the reading of the aforesaid section that if summons is issued, it is only for the purpose of appearance of the accused before the court on the time and date indicated. Once the summons are issued, there is no question of apprehension of arrest. It is open to the magistrate to issue warrant in case accused fails to appear in response to the summons. With these observations, this petition is disposed of accordingly. Stop.